Now we'll see the last topic of computer graphics, that is hidden surface and hidden line removal. See, under this hidden surface and hidden line removal topic, we are going to study three different algorithms: backface removal, depth buffer method, and scanline method algorithm. Right? Before studying these algorithms, we'll see what is hidden and visible surfaces and why this concept is used in computer graphics. Here, for example, if I take a plane, object, okay, here in this object, when I draw a cube, computer will process each and every points in a cube, right? Now, if I color this surface, a front surface is colored, then the back surface, this, and the part of this surface and this surface is invisible, right? And here, that means some back faces, the part of back faces are invisible. Now what computer will do? The computer, while processing, it will take all the information and it will generate that information and it will be displayed on the screen, right? So here the processing time to render some invisible surface as well as visible surface to display my image on the screen will be same, because these three parts are not skipped out. It is already processed. So the computer will take extra time to process those part of the image. So because of this, to reduce the processing time of computer, we need to find out which is hidden surface and which is visible surface. If some surfaces are hidden, then just leave, no need to process that points only. If surfaces are visible, just process those points. So this is a concept why, this is a reason why hidden and visible surface concept is used in computer graphics, right? Here the main concept is just keep information of image which is visible. Now there are two approaches under hidden surface method, that is object space method and one more image space method, right? The object space method. If I use object space method approach, then the first point is here physical coordinates along x direction, y direction and z direction. Which points will be calculated or processed. And here we need to detect which point is hidden, which coordinate is hidden. But in the image space method, we need to view post and projection post coordinate. That is, after getting image, we have to process projection, we have to process the pixel point based on projection plane and view plane. Next, second is object parts are compared just to check which parts are visible and which parts are invisible. But in the image space, point to point pixel visibility, here just to check the intensity of the image, points to points pixel visibility is required. Okay, in object space approach, line display algorithm is used just to display the border line, and here we use, in image space we use line and both surface algorithm. Then fourth point is geometrical relationship among the objects is very important. Okay, and geometrical calculations are precise and here processing time is more. If we compare this with image space method, final image, we need to concentrate on final image, and pixel calculations are accurate and it takes less processing time. Okay, this is just about the two different approaches comes under hidden surface and hidden line removal algorithm. Now based on this approach, we move on to first algorithm, that is backface algorithm. Right? Here, where this backface algorithm is used, the backface algorithm is used in an object with the condition that the objects should not be overlapped each other. We need two separate objects. For example, these two objects are two separate objects. So it should not overlap each other. Okay. Here, backface algorithm, here again the main concept is just remove the backface. Right? How to remove? To remove the backface, we need to find out which is backface, which point comes in backface. Okay, the first point under this, for example, I'll take one plane. The plane is in X, Y, Z coordinate system. Okay, my camera is here. My view or projection plane is this side. I'll view this side, right? And XYZ coordinate point is here. When I view from this direction and my normal plane is this side or normal point is this side, now this part is invisible. Okay, this part is invisible. For example, if I take a box, right, here if I view the box from this side, its back face is invisible. This is visible. My view plane is this, view is this side, this part is visible and its back face is invisible. Normal plane is invisible. So how to remove that invisible plane or how to find out that hidden surface? Now I'll take surface equation. The simple surface equation is AX plus BY plus CZ and D, where A, B, C, D are polygon surface with parameters. Okay, and a point XYZ is inside the polygon surface A, B, C, D if AX plus BY plus CZ plus D is less than 0. Right? Now the surface value, if it is less than 0, that means our point XYZ point is inside the surface. Okay? It's not here. If this is there, it is not inside the surface. The point should be inside the surface to check whether that point is visible and invisible. If it is here, that means it is not inside the surface. So no need to apply any backface algorithm to this point. Right? So before applying backface algorithm to any point on the plane, first we need to check whether that point is inside the surface or outside the surface. Right? Just to reduce the processing time. So now this equation will decide, if it is less than 0, it will decide that the point is inside the plane. Okay, next. Now we need to check whether it is a back face. Right. Now I'll take my view plane is this side and normal view is this side. Right. View is this side. My camera is projected here and my normal plane is this. Right. So the direction, the angle, view plane and normal direction angle is 0. right? That means both are in same direction. Normal plane and view plane, both are in same direction. Okay. Now, just inside this is a back face. If inside the point is along the line of sight to the surface, then point is not visible. The point is along the line of sight to the surface. Okay, this is my view plane and these are in same line. If both are in same line, that means now this is a back face, it is hidden, right? So second point is, I'll take n as a normal vector. Now v dot n is greater than 0. If it is 0, then it is back face, then it is hidden, no need to process, right? If I take a block, for example this same surface, here my view plane and normal plane v into n is greater than 0, then it is back face. Okay. Now this is a plane. Now this is my back face. If I turn like this, that is 90-degree rotation. If I turn like this, then, and my view plane is this, view is this, again this part is not visible, right? So if I turn the block or surface to more than 90 degree, then also the surface is not visible, right? When it is visible if I turn the plane more than 90 degree, right? This is a plane, I'll turn to 90 degree. Again, if I view from this side, it is not visible. If I turn more than 90 degree, now the back face or that face is visible, right? This is a condition for visibility, right? When my normal plane and view plane are in same direction, that means degree it is 0, it is not visible. And if I turn more than 90 degree, then it is visible. Just check the angle of direction. If angle of direction is more than 90 degree, then it is visible, right? Now we checked hidden and visible surface based on normal plane and view plane. Now we'll convert this into projection plane, right? Now I'll take normal vector with A, B, C, where I, J, K are unit vector of projection plane, and my view plane, I'll take view from Z axis, which is parallel to viewing direction. Okay. Now the view plane is Z direction, that is parallel to viewing plane, viewing direction. Now my vector V into N is equal to A I into 0, 0 plus this is 0, C K into VZ. Now the sign of CK will decide whether the surface is back surface or visible surface. How we can calculate? Now my view plane is, object is here and I am viewing from this point. Okay. Now we are viewing along negative direction. If I view along negative direction, the sign of C is negative, that is always less than or it can be equal to 0. That means it is back face. otherwise it is visible. Vice versa, if I am viewing from negative direction and my object is on z direction, then sign of C, which is greater than or equal to 0, is again invisible. Okay, this is vice versa condition. This is just a backface algorithm.